So how do I find the max on this list? So we're going to go through the list a series of steps. Number one, we need to assume, so we need to, number one, create a max variable. Number two, we assume that the first element is the max at the beginning, just at the beginning. We just assume it's the max. The reason why is because you need to have a reference. You need to say, okay, one of the numbers in here is going to be the max. It's just, it has to be, right? Even if it's tied, there's going to be one number in a list, assuming you have numbers, elements within your list, there's going to be one that's the max. So it's okay to say the first one is going to be the max. And if it's not, as we go through it and do comparisons, we'll update it. So even if it's not, it's okay. We're just going to say temporarily, you're the tallest. So imagine you're going through a classroom with 30 students. When you say, okay, you're the first tallest student, or the first student is the tallest. And then we compare them to the next student, and it's like, are you still the tallest? Yes. And it's like, okay, so you're still the tallest. And then the next student, it's like, are you still the tallest? And the other student beats him by like a foot. It's like, oh no, so we're going to swap you out. Now this giant student is the tallest. And then we keep going until we go through all the students. And then at the very end, we know exactly who the tallest is. By that same kind of concept, we're going to do this.